So interest rates are no longer an excuse. DR Horton is offering right now a promotion of 4.99% fixed rates, all closing costs paid if you close by the end of May. So that's inventory that's standing and inventory that's going to be available in closing by May. Anything closing after May, you'll still get the 4.99% interest rate, but you'll get $10,000 in closing costs. So either way, it's a great deal. Make sure that you reach out so that we have enough time to get you pre-qualified and everything, all the things. Again, my name is Angelo Merville, and I can't wait to work with you. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.